And then I will plant this. I've already got a couple of them planted. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making some Tepache. I'm going to do a little bit different this time. I'm going to add some pineapple juice, some 100% pineapple juice. I've already got some water here with 2 cups of dark brown sugar that I'm going to add, and everything's already been sterilized. On the next video I'm going to be using the rest of the pineapple to make pineapple habanero sauce again. So stay with me. Alright, first get started. I'm going to have cinnamon sticks, have cloves, some star anise, some ginger, and pineapple. I'm going to start cutting the top on the pineapple. And then I will plant this. I've already got a couple of them planted. This is an overripe pineapple. I think I'm just going to use all of it. Got 2 cups of brown sugar, dark brown sugar. I'm going to add in, and then I'll add the pineapple juice, and I'll top it off with the water. It's the first time I've added pineapple juice into a Tepache recipe. I'm going to put in 2 cinnamon sticks. Traditionally, this is made with the Mexican brown sugar. I'm not sure even how to pronounce it, but we don't have that here, so I have to use brown sugar. And then we'll have the cloves. I'm gonna add about 6, and the pineapple juice. Well, looks like I won't be adding any water into this, but that's okay. So I do like a good pineapple flavor. Then I'm gonna let that go for about 7 or 8 days. I'll keep an eye on the fermentation and keep the lid a bit loose on it so it doesn't build up too much pressure. And I'll just be keeping an eye out. And stay tuned for part 2, and we'll see how this comes out. Thanks for watching. Give a shout out to Short Florida Man, Short Man Fishing. Thank you. The final touch is I forgot to add the ginger. I do love the ginger. Now I got to get a weight to make sure everything is held down. Now, we'll be back after this gets done fermenting in about 7 or 8 days. Thanks for watching.